everyone, I'm back to film an unboxing of my new Foxy Fix that came today. This is my Micro, but first of all I just want to say if the lighting is a bit different, I'm in a different room in a different place and my ring light has not arrived yet, so you're just going to have to bear with me because I'm losing daylight. I have got the light on but I think it's making a bit of a weird colour over the video, so just bear with me. But yeah, this came today. It was really quick actually. I ordered this, let me just have a look in my diary because I did write it in, whoops. I ordered this on the 8th of July, that must have been. No, that was, yeah, the 8th of July. And I got a customs note on Thursday for it. And then it's been delivered today because obviously I paid that on Thursday straight away. So we will open it up and see what I got. I haven't opened this up yet. I've just taken off the sellotape. So I've got a sample of the spice chili, which is really smooth and really soft. I love the spice leather actually. I have Himalayan salt, which is my favourite ring bound planner that I have. But I didn't go for the Himalayan salt here because I fancied trying something different. You just get the business cards that you always get in your Foxy deliveries. And the worms, we hate the worms. Just put them to the side. So I ordered, well, I'll show you the little dashboards first. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's the information. So I ordered 4 of the little dashboards, the little micro ones. They're just the clear. Well, for a minute there I thought there was only 3 in the packet. They're just the clear ones that wrap around and they have the little Foxy Fix logo on there. Nothing too exciting about those. And then I did order a micro, which is a number 0, and I ordered the matching wallet insert as well. And I ordered them in the Lush Ballerina. I've never had a Lush leather before, so I'm pretty nervous. Oh, it feels so soft. Oh, it's beautiful. I did get the foiled holographic Fox and Pip bow. You can't really see that it's holographic actually in this light, but it is. I got the pink stitching. The elastic is vintage pink, I think. Let me just have a check on my invoice. I got the light pink stitching, the vintage pink elastic. I've just got the 4 jump bands. I didn't want the 6 because this is going to be my wallet. You get the spare jump band in, which I will use because I've got oh, where has that gone? I've actually got this from Naya Papery that I ordered as well, because you don't get enough card slots in here. Let me show you this first and I'll show you that again in a minute. Oh, I'm really happy with this. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so soft and squishy. And then that's the wallet insert. I didn't get the embossing on the front of that one. I didn't really see the point because it's just going to be tucked away inside. So I just got the micro again. So you can only get the 1 card slot there. You've got a little pocket down there and then a little coin pocket. But that's why I ordered this when I did my Naya Paper reorder, because you only get the 1 card slot there. I don't really feel safe putting my cards in here, even though it'd probably be fine, but this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces for card, and I think I might just tuck it either inside there or I might use the jump band to tuck it on. We'll see, I've not decided yet, but I'm so happy with this. It's beautiful. It's really squishy. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, it smells different. It smells different to my my spice. It's not nasty, it's just different. So yeah, I've got the vintage pink elastic, like I said. I've got the light pink stitching, and it's pretty flawless. I can't see anything that's wrong with it. It wasn't a mystery sale, but you know what it's like sometimes. You get like some spotting in the leather, or you get like a scar or something, but I can't see anything like that. It's got a big back pocket, which is what I wanted. That's where I'm going to put my cash. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reach for my other micro. This is the reason why I bought this one, because I bought this micro in a D-stash and I quickly, this is the Zoe leather, this is lace, I very, very quickly fell in love with it, but I decided that I wanted to get like my unicorn wallet, and so I ended up with the ballerina slipper. But I'll just get this out because this is beautiful. Again, this is the light pink stitching and the light pink elastic this time. There is a bit of a difference there, you can see. I bought this in a D-stash, like I said, but I'm just going to get my inserts and show you. Actually, I won't take them out, I'll just show you them in here, what I'm going to use. Let me just make sure I can get to a month when there's not anything on it that I don't want to show. So I'm using the RachelBeautyPlans monthly, 2019 to 2020, and it goes from July to June, just a little monthly there. And I'm not doing any decorating in here, I'm just going to be literally having it in my bag, scribbling in it when I need it, and then transferring it into whatever notes section, either in my Hobonichi, or if it's a really important note, probably in my personal wide rings. And then I'm also using this Happy Diet insert from RachelBeautyPlans again, really cute, and that's just going to be for like more important notes rather than sort of scribbly shopping lists. This one is going to be the one that I'm using for my shopping lists. Again, this is an RachelBeautyPlans insert, and it's got quite a few different options inside of it. It's got some grid paper. Just want to make sure I've got no personal information that I have written in it. And then it's got these sort of list tags that I'm probably going to use for groceries. And then the last insert that I grabbed was again from RachelBeautyPlans Principles, and that is just a weekly. I can't remember who this was a collab with. It is a collab with somebody, but I can't quite remember who. It might be, no, I was going to say See Amy Draw, but I'm not 100%. Anyway, you'll find it, and it's available in the bigger sizes as well. So it's just a little weekly, and I'm just going to probably not use it every week, but if I have a particularly busy week, or maybe if I have a busy week sort of social media wise, because I do have a couple of Instagrams and I'm on a couple of PR teams, and also my blog. If I've got a busy week with things to do like that, like promoted posts or whatever, then I might end up using that weekly. But yeah, so I'm super happy with this. It's so beautiful. It's just so squishy and I just love it. I'm really happy. I can't wait to set it all up tomorrow, and I'm really glad that I didn't bother to get the Fox and Pip bow on there either. It's just, yeah, it's not necessary. It was just going to be hiding inside, and I know that the Naya Papery one doesn't match, but I'm really happy with that as well. It's the same sort of type of squishy leather as well, actually, which is nice. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Foxy Fix. Keep your eye on my Instagram, which is RachelBeautyPlans, because I think I'm going to be giving this one away. I'm going to set it up with fresh inserts, some fresh decorations, and yeah, I'm going to do a giveaway with it, I think. But for now, that's everything, and thanks for watching. Bye.